Okay, guys, let's get started.
All right, so when we deal with our delays, when I put something on a half, I want it to be a half, right? If I'm in double time, this is not a half. It's actually going to be considered a quarter.
So you can actually create a fade out if you go back to mix. The second option is fade out. I can definitely go in and customize that. Right now, it's got the whole thing selected, so I could move it over if I'm like, oh, you faded out way too soon.
You only wanted that kind of low mid to high mid information to be on your reverb sends, okay? And one of the ways you could do that is with this bass cut. So enough of me talking about it. Let's listen.
Step up above you and rise. Tell me.
What's the point of color coding? What do you guys?
To organize, identify the vocals faster. You know, you can identify your drums and faster, stuff like that.
Yep.
It has movement, right? It gives some interest to what's going on. Keep exploring. Don't, like, again, it's a story, it's an experience that's happening.